Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't checked out our recent video, I would definitely recommend taking a look at it. It will show you the progression of the bathroom remodel from the very beginning until now. It gives you a better idea of all of the different things in the room that have swapped places. I will link it below in the description for you. In this video, I will be showing you the last couple steps in the bathroom remodel. You will see the tile on the floor and in the shower, as well as the vanity and the tub installation. And last but not least, all of the final fixtures. Make sure to stick around until the end because you won't want to miss the completed bathroom. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. The floor installation has started. The tile being used is Dow Tile Marble Attache Calcutta in a satin finish. The tiles are 12 by 24 in size. The cement board has been hung on the shower walls. Cement board is a water-resistant backing for the tile. The wall tile in the shower is the same as the floor tile, just the larger 24 by 48 size. The quartz seat and wall caps are the same as the vanity, which is Cambria Carrick. The shower floor is the same Dow Tile Marble Attache Calcutta in a matte finish. It is the 2x5 linear hex mosaic design. Here is the vanity and countertop without any accessories. The cabinets are Waypoint 760F Maple Harbor painted, and the quartz countertop is Cambria Carrick with demi bullnose edges. The sink faucets, shower controls, and other accessories are from the Moen Winford collection. This freestanding tub is a Barclay Montebello acrylic tub in white.